This area of the first floor is the 1100 hallway. In this hallway, you will find industrial robotics and HVAC. In industrial robotics, students have the opportunity to certify in Autodesk Fusion 360 and FANUC. Students also have fun in their CTSOs by competing with VEX robots. This is done through TSA. Towards the end of the hallway, we have HVAC. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, air conditioning. In this program of study, students have the opportunity to earn certifications in NCCER Core, EPA, and NCCER HVAC Level 1. This is a dual credit program through Lone Star.